Hello guys, happy Tuesday. So we're going to be adding money again today. We're going to be using much more difficult numbers now, okay? So it's going to be questions where we're going to be having to do 2 or 3 exchanges to find the answer, okay? And now with numbers like this, it probably is better to use the column method. So we're only going to be using the column method today, okay? So I'm going to show you 2 examples. You can do this. We've already done this when we did column addition, okay? We've done 3 exchanges in 4-digit numbers, okay, and that's all this is really, okay. So we're going to have a go at that today. I'm going to show you 2 examples, and then you're going to have a go with some, and then you've got some word problems to solve as well, okay. But just read those carefully and you'll be all right with those. So I'm going to show you my screen. We're going to have a go at these 2 questions. So here's the first one: £26.59 at £37.54. So we have our tens and our ones, there are pounds. And I think on your examples it has a line down there, okay, but that's where your decimal point will go. Okay, and then you have your tenths and you have your hundredths. Okay, so we have £26.59 add £37.54. Okay, that's where your decimal point will go. Okay, and we're going to start adding those up. I'm going to do my parallel lines. Obviously, if I was on paper or in class, I'd do that with a ruler. So we start with the hundredths. We start on the right. 9 add 4, 13 hundredths. Okay. So 13. I use the 10. I exchange the 10 hundredths for 1/10. Okay. Then I add the tenths. 5 add 5 add 1 is 11. Okay. I exchange the 10 tenths for 1/1. Okay. 6 add 7 is 13. Add the extra 1, 14. Okay. I exchange my 10 ones for 1/10. Then I add up the tens. 2 add 3 add 1 is 6. £64.13. Okay. And that's it. £64, decimal point, 13 pence. Okay, so it's just the same. You're following the same process. You start on the right. Okay. Add up the ones on the right. If you've got 10, you exchange them for 10 of the next place. For 1 of the next place, sorry. Okay. It's just the same every single time. So we've got one more example to look at here. Okay. So I've got tens. I've got ones. Okay. I've got tenths. My 10p's. Okay, and I've got hundredths, my pennies. Okay. So we're going to have a go. So £35, decimal points there, 55. Add, oh, don't forget my pen sign. Add £27.66. Decimal point would go there. Okay. In parallel lines, we start adding from the right. Okay, so 5 add 6 is 11. Okay. The 10 hundredths become 1/10. Okay. 5 add 6 is 11 again, but now I've got the extra 1, so it's 12. Okay. My 10 tenths become 1/1. Okay. 5 add 7 is 12. Add 1, 13. Okay. My 10 ones become 1/10. 3 add 2, add 1, £63.21. Okay. So that's what you're doing today. We can already do this. Just make sure you follow the process. Exchange your tens for 1 of the next place, and you'll be fine.